ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale's Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
So I welcome Mr. KL Rao. It's over to Mr. KL Rao. He's going to give his talk. I welcome you. So it's over to Mr. KL Rao.
Today, the nation is celebrating 130th birth anniversary of Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891. His contribution to Dalit rights and the Constitution of India are remarkable. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1990. In the London School of Economics, he completed 8 years course in just 2 years 3 months. That means he had to study 21 hours per day. He was born in Mo, Madhya Pradesh, now known as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. He passed away at the age of 65 in 1956. He studied BA at the University of Mumbai. He studied MA, PhD, LLD from Columbia University. He did MSc and DSc at London School of Economics. Barrister at law at Gray's Inn. He was awarded Bodhisattva in 1956. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1990. First Colombian ahead of times in 2004. The greatest Indian 2012. The political party Scheduled Caste Federation, Independent Labour Party, Republican Party of India. The social organizations Bahishkrit Hitakarani Sabha and Samata Sainik Dal. Let me tell you the following facts about Ambedkar. You will be surprised. He was 14th and last child of his parents. He was the first Indian to get a doctorate degree in economics from abroad. The only Indian whose statue was attached to that of Karl Marx in the London Museum. He gave Ashok Chakra in Indian tricolor, though Pingali Venkayya of Andhra Pradesh designed the national flag. The Ashok Chakra was given by Ambedkar ji. Nobel Prize winner Professor Amartya Sen considered Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as his father in economics. His personal library, Rajagrah, comprises of 50,000 books, and it was the world's largest private library. The book Waiting for Visa, written by Ambedkar, is a textbook at Columbia University. Columbia University made a list of world's top 100 scholars in 2004. The first name in that list happens to be Ambedkar. He was a master of 64 subjects. He knows 9 languages: Hindi, Pali, Sanskrit, English, French, German, Maratha, Persian, and Gujarati. His initiation in Buddhism, along with his supporters, 8,50,000, is historical in the world because it was the largest conversion in the world. Mahant Veerachandra Mani, a great Buddhist monk who initiated Baba Sahib to Buddhism, called him the modern Buddha of this age. Many intelligent students have tried for doctoral science from the London School of Economics, but they have not been successful until now, whereas Ambedkar is the first and only person in the world to receive a valuable doctorate degree named Doctor All Science. The highest number of songs and books were written in the name of Ambedkar worldwide. Governor Lord Linlithgow and Mahatma Gandhi believed that Ambedkar is more intelligent than 500 graduates and thousands of scholars. He was the world's first and only Satyagrahi who did Satyagraha for drinking water. In 1954, in the World Buddhist Council held in Kathmandu, Nepal, Buddhist monks gave Ambedkar the highest title of Buddhism, Bodhisattva. His famous book, The Buddha and His Dharma, is the scripture of Indian Buddhists. Ambedkar considered 3 great men: Lord Buddha, Sant Kabir, Mahatma Phule. Highest number of statues in the world is of Ambedkar. His birth anniversary is celebrated all over the world. He was the first lawyer from backward classes. Based on global survey called the Makers of the Universe, a list of 100 humanists of people of the last 10,000 years was made by Oxford University, in which the 4th name is Ambedkar's. Ambedkar gave many suggestions in the book The Problem of Rupee, its origin and its solution, about the demonetization that is being discussed nowadays. Everywhere in the world, Buddha's closed eye statues and paintings are visible, but Ambedkar made first painting of Buddha in which Buddha's eyes were open. The first statue of Ambedkar was built in 1950 when he was alive, and that is in Kolhapur city. Ambedkar is treated as God by crores of his followers. We have to realize that Ambedkar is a great person, great jurist, great economist, great lawyer, and great social reformer. Finding so many things in one person is rare. But we have Ambedkar and we should be proud of him. The Constitution of India, which was written by him, prepared by him, made by him, is Veda for us. Many people may not be knowing the greatness of Ambedkar. Today, on his birthday, we are remembering him.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again, listeners. I hope you too have enjoyed to the program. You too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hiravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries, and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.